In front of me I've got Chevrolet Aveo. In this video I'll show you how to find engine oil level. To check engine oil level in your car, firstly make sure you're parked your car stationary on flat surface for at least 10 minutes. We have to give the engine oil time to go down. Now, here is the dipstick. Pull it out and clean it. As you can see right now it's all greasy. We have to clean it and then place it back. Now, take it out and the engine oil level is located here. The best engine oil level in this car is when the markings reaches middle line. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.